Thank you for choosing Inflatable Design Group. This video will walk you through how to use your inflatable. Connect the plug to a power outlet. Now take each cord and plug them in together to charge the battery. One cord connects to the battery box. The other cord connects to the wearable part. When the light is orange, it is charging. If you unplug, the light will turn green and it is not charging. Make sure you are only charging for small amounts of time and do not leave it charging overnight. First, start by picking up this part of the inflatable and putting it on yourself like a backpack. Make sure the pump goes behind you with the clips facing the front of your body. Then take both clips from the front and clip them in front of your body. It is an adjustable strap, so you can size it as needed depending on the person wearing it. To connect the air tube to your inflatable, find the connector inside the costume. Now take your tube and screw it into the connecting. Twist the tube in, as shown above, and then seal with the VELCRO strap. For the shoe section of the inflatable, place your foot in the shoe part and VELCRO the straps over your ankle and the tops of your feet like you would with a sandal. When you are ready to inflate your costume, make sure you attach both cords. There is a cord on both sides of the backpack. Push them together in the front, like shown, and the costume will begin inflating. Once you are inside the suit, to be able to control the arms when it is inflated, make sure you are using the handles. There are 2 handles on each arm. Once all of these steps have been completed, please allow at least 60 seconds for your inflatable costume to fully be inflated. You are now ready to use your inflatable. Feel free to walk, dance, or anything else inside your inflatable costume.